Welcome to Students Pathsala. Here we are studying about classical dance and its forms. Yesterday we have studied about Kathakali, Mohini Attam. Today we will discuss about Bharatanatyam, which is classical dance of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is a classical Indian dance form that originated in the temples of South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu. It is considered to be over 2000 years old. The dance is traditionally a form of interpretive narration of mythical legends and spiritual ideas from the Hindu texts. The performance reporting of Bharatanatyam includes nrit, pure dance, nritya, solo expressive dance, and nat, group dramatic dance. Fourth, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the eight major Indian classical dances. It originates from a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natyasastra. Number 5, Odissi. Odissi is a classical Indian dance that originated in the Hindu temples of Odisha, a state in eastern India. Origin of Odissi. Odissi is believed to be one of the oldest surviving classical Indian dances, with evidence of its tradition dating back to the 2nd to 10th century AD. Style of Odissi dance. Odissi is a highly stylized dance that is sensual and lyrical. It is based on Nat Shastra and Abhinay Darpana, ancient Sanskrit Hindu text on performing arts. Postures of Odissi dance. Odissi dance movements are built around two basic postures. Number one, chok, a masculine stance with the body weight equally balanced. Number second, Tribhanga, a feminine stance where the body is deflected at the neck, torso, and knees. Odissi performance include themes from Vaishnavism and other Hindu gods and goddesses like Shiva, Surya, and Shakti. Traditionally, Odissi has two major styles. Number one, Maharis, which is a solo one spiritual temple dance performed by women. Number second, Gotipuas. This is an athletic and acrobatic style performed by boys dressed as girls. Number 6, Kathak. Kathak is the classical dance of Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the eight major classical dances of India. Word Kathak is derived from Sanskrit, which means story. Dancers tell a story through hand movements, foot movements, body movements, and facial expressions. The origin of Kathak dance is linked to ancient North Indian poets. Dance originated in temples and villages where dancers would narrate stories from ancient texts. There are three major gharanas of Kathak dance: Jaipur, Lucknow, and Varanasi. There is a variation in the customs of the dancers. Muslim costumes are used for female dancers, and Hindu costumes are used for male dancers. The major patterns of Kathak dance were the Royal Court of Rajasthan and Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Lucknow. The Cultural Department of Uttar Pradesh government established National Kathak Institute in Lucknow in the year 1988, and somewhere is 1989. Seventh, Manipuri. Manipuri dance is one of the oldest classical dance of India. This dance style is associated with the northeastern state of Manipur in India. Some special things about Manipur dance. In Manipuri dance, the body moves slowly and arms flow down the fingers. The body movements from either circles or ellipses. The feet are not moved too quickly but mostly with softness and gentleness. In Manipuri dance, themes inspired by the compositions of Vishnu Puran, Bhagavad Puran, and Gita Govind are used. In Manipuri dance, the male dancers dance with full force to the beats of Manipuri dholak. In Manipuri dance, women enact the love of Radha Krishna. In Manipuri dance, the character of Lord Krishna is always dressed in a yellow dhoti, dark velvet jacket, and a crown of peacock feathers. Male dancers wear dhoti, kurta, white turban, shawl folded over the left shoulder, and drum strapped over the right shoulder. Manipuri costume is head woven in horizontal line design. Satriya. This is the eighth classical dance of India, and this is also latest classical dance or newest. Satriya dance is a classical dance of Assam. It was included in the eight classical dances of India in the year 2000. Its special features: Satriya dance originated in the 15th-16th century. It was created by the great saint Sriman Shankar Dev. The Satriya dance was originally created as an accompaniment to Anikkinat. Anikkinat is a form of one act plays from Assam. Satriya dance was performed in sessions. Satras were the names of the monasteries of Assam. Satriya dance was created to propagate Vaishnavism. Satriya dance depicts the stories of Krishna and Radha as well as other incarnations of Vishnu such as Rama. Satriya dance tells mythological and religious stories through hand gestures and facial expressions. Satriya dance has more dramatic acting in solo performances. Satriya dance is full of intense emotional excitement. Satriya dance has strict principles regarding hand gestures, footsteps, food, music, etc. Now we have completed classical dance of India. So please like, subscribe, and share the video. And thanks for watching. Thank you.